What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I want to say welcome. And if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All that does help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And for today's video, we are back at it with another store review. Today's store review is going to be Soul World ATL. They just recently opened in the North Atlanta or North Georgia premium outlets, about an hour and a half away from the city of Atlanta. So dope little stores in the outlet mall, which I find kind of weird because it's not an outlet store, but it's a resale shop. But nevertheless, we will go there, check it out, give you guys the rating. And as you guys can see, I have Pops here, so he's back for another video. He's gonna give his rating, and he's gonna be able to compare basically versus ATL versus Soul World Atlanta. Let's get into the video. So just in case you guys were looking for it, it is on the Pandora side, right here, right next to Ferragamo Soul World, right there. Alright, so we are leaving Soul World Atlanta right now. I didn't do too much talking inside of there because the music was blasting, you know.
Loud.
It was too loud, right? And I didn't want to have any of the copyright stuff going on, and just so you guys could hear me better. So we'll give our first impressions here and all of that stuff here, you know, instead of going back to the crib, because we didn't leave with anything. I couldn't find anything I was interested in. Pop saw one pair of shoes, Damian Lillard 4 with the Bape collab. He wasn't ready to pull the trigger. I think he's a little nervous to make his first purchase. We'll give our rating about the store right now. All right, so since my dad is the guest on the show today, I'm gonna let him go first. I'm gonna let him give his rating, and let's see what he's thinking about the store.
7.5, maybe 8.
8? Okay, so what, you know some of the reasons maybe why?
It looked like the store wasn't fully stocked, wasn't complete.
Yeah, I feel you on that. The store kind of did look a little empty. My biggest pet peeve was that everything was used.
A lot of used sneakers.
And it's not the fact that everything was used, because you know I buy used shoes and new shoes, but
really used.
Yeah, like really used, like the condition of it. Like some of the stuff maybe could have just been clean. Like my dad was even asking me. My dad was like,
"They don't clean them before they display them." Yeah.
Yeah, and then there was a pair of shoes that didn't have laces in
laces on it.
But the laces were inside the shoe. So like, why didn't you just put the lace on the shoe to make the presentation look a little bit better? You know, it kind of, you know, I guess it was the presentation. Like the vibe of the store wasn't like 100% there, you know? Like they weren't as inviting as the other two stores.
Right. They greeted us.
Yeah, the staff was friendly. They greeted us. They said what's up to us. They asked us if we had any questions multiple times, you know, from the beginning, middle, and end. So that nothing was wrong there. They talked about that. But the other stores talked to us more.
They didn't feel
inviting. Yeah, inviting.
And they didn't have that throwback room either.
Yeah, he's gonna compare everything to the throwback room. So his score was, wait, so pick one, 7.5 or 8. Which one are you giving it?
I give it 7.5.
7.5. And I'm going to be right there with him. I'm going to give it a 7.3. A little bit lower. I can't give him that 7.5, 7.3. Clothing, there wasn't any clothing in the store really either. They had only Soul World merch, and then they had a couple Supreme items, no clothing, and just limited supply. So like they didn't have a lot of selection. They had a lot of one sneaker. So they had 10 Yeezy 350 breads, you know, not every single Yeezy they had. They didn't have foam runners. I didn't see slides. I didn't see a lot of dunks. Limited selection. And the only other thing that, I mean, I guess this might be talking smack about the store, but you know, hey, I'm giving the truth, was the guy, the Soul World guy, the owner of the store, is behind the counter on his phone, like that's like, this is your store, you know. The store's a representation of yourself, you know. And if you're not going to be out there on the front lines greeting everybody, creating the energy, creating that vibe that we are looking for, you know, like what's your purpose really? You know, just you're just sitting behind the counter, you know, on your phone, you know. He didn't look that interested in, you know, not even just happy. He didn't
Greeting.
look, yeah, greeting,
Greeting all
yeah,
the customers
greeting all the
that
customers
coming in.
It's the North Georgia Premium Outlets. Not the best store, but I've seen worse and I've seen better. So I'll link all Soul World stuff down below. If you guys are in the area, check it out. But that's gonna wrap up the video. A short one, not too much to go about, not too much to talk about. Make sure to check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Brotato Chip. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. We'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, peace.
Peace.